That's my workshop, and it's entirely powered by solar. I've always wanted to use solar energy in my house, but there's never been a DIY option until now. The legislation in the UK is changing, and now you'll be able to try plug-in solar in your home. And EcoFlow, who power my workshop, have a solution for most households. My solar panels run down and into my EcoFlow units, which get charged up for free by the sun and power all my lights, tools and machines in the workshop. I've been running my workshop like this for over 3 years now, but EcoFlow have been going for over 10 and is one of the leading providers of eco-friendly energy solutions. It's been amazing having free energy and being energy secure. Energy prices are incredibly high at the moment and have been for years now. I don't see all the global factors that affect markets calming down anytime soon. But until now, I've never made the leap of solar for the house. I've always been put off by the cost of getting it installed, and it's never been something you've been able to do yourself. You'd need professionals to install them on the roof and an electrician to wire them into the grid. These EcoFlow ones that I have though are incredibly easy to set up and even have built-in stands. This bit of flat roof I have is south facing, so it's perfect for solar panels. If you're like me, you probably like a DIY solution to a problem, but for home solar, that's never been an option. Until now. As I say, legislation in the UK is changing, and soon plug-in solar will be an option. And that's where the EcoFlow STREAM comes in. It works just like it sounds. Solar panels get plugged into a micro inverter that doesn't need to be installed by a professional. You just plug it into a socket in your house using a 3-pin plug, feeding in up to 800 watts of energy. Any appliances on your home circuit then draw from the solar panels first. Sounds amazing technology. You can give solar a go and see if it works for you. So there's several options in the STREAM series. There's the STREAM Basic Kit, which has solar panels and a micro inverter, to units like the STREAM Ultra, which have the micro inverter, but they also have batteries in, so you can store the power you're producing from solar. And that's what I'm setting up. There's some cables that are handily built into the solar panel. So these can be fed down, and these can now be plugged into the back of the STREAM Ultra. Oh, lights have come on and I can see it's charging. Now the power cable can just go into the back and then it plugs into a normal household socket. How incredibly simple to set up was that?
The STREAM Ultra is ideal if you want to try solar in your home and allows you to understand exactly where your electricity is being used. You can even use it to make better use of your existing solar panels by storing and redistributing the energy from them.
Now all my appliances that run all day in the background, fridges, freezers, routers, are all powered off the solar. So think how much money over the course of a year that's going to save. The new legislation allows for 800 watts to be fed into the home circuit. So if you want to run a more demanding appliance like the toaster, Then the first 800 watts is taken from solar and the rest is topped up with power from the grid. With this unit though, you can take 800 from the solar and 1200 from the batteries. Anything you need over that can come from the grid. The STREAM Ultra can also power larger appliances. Things like the washing machine can plug directly into the back of the unit. For even more power, two units can be joined together in parallel to increase the power and the storage capacity. Or you can use distributed mode, no cable required. You just plug different units into separate wall sockets. They link up using a wireless network and direct power between them. So they can run power-hungry appliances like a washer, dryer, toaster, microwave, or most importantly a kettle, just using power produced by the sun. The system can easily be expanded. Plug in more solar panels to it. Add more batteries for more demanding appliances and for greater storage. And all of that is super easy to do. No real tools or drilling required. No need to get an electrician in. Just plug and play and set up the units wherever it's convenient for you. If you don't have a flat roof like I have, then there's pretty much a solution that will work for anyone. There's units that hang off balconies or flats, that go on the facades of buildings, that go in the garden. So whatever your situation, there's probably something that's gonna work. You can monitor your power production and usage using the EcoFlow app to see how much you are saving. You can also charge the unit up from the grid. So if you have a tariff that has a cheaper time, you can use that to charge it up, and then when it's more expensive, use the battery to power your appliances. Over the past 3 years, I've loved having my workshop off-grid. Saving money on energy and having the peace of mind that comes from energy security. I always wanted to try exactly the same thing with the house, and now I can. So if you've always wanted to try a solar system, search on Google for EcoFlow. Or click the link down below this video in the description box. So thank you to EcoFlow for sending me this unit. After 3 years being off-grid out in the workshop, I'm really excited to be starting my journey on solar for the house. Thanks for watching everyone. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.